What's going on, guys? It's your friendliest content creator, Cing Casper's YouTube page. That's right. So, like I said in many other videos, I'm still learning this thing called snowboarding. So, I'm still learning techniques to ride the board better, to gain speed, to get more air, but also the main thing when you're out snowboarding, your awareness, paying attention to what's around you and who's around you. People don't have eyes behind their back, so it's very important to watch people as they're skiing and snowboarding in front of you. Simply let people know that, coming up on your right, coming up on your left, behind you, let them know. It may startle them or something, but it's best to at least let them know. I just had an incident right now. We were coming down at the bottom of the lift, getting ready to hit the chair lift again, and I was probably all the way right up to it, past the slow sign, and the skier came flying right by. Now, it's not an issue, but I know if I would have cut over and I would have hit him, I would have been in the wrong for not paying attention. So just again, friendly reminder, guys, like I said, I'm new to this stuff too. I'm new to snowboarding and skiing. So most definitely, we're doing this together. Like I said, the community out there is huge, and I cannot wait to meet every single one of you guys. Until then, shred up and carve. That's right.